Chairperson of the National Commission for Women NCW, Rekha Sharma, has criticized the state police for mishandling the issue of two women who were paraded naked occurred last year. She warned that such actions could erode public trust in security forces. Rekha Sharma made these comments during a workshop on gender sensitization for police personnel at the first Manipur Rifles banquet hall. She also condemned the practice of targeting vulnerable individuals during conflicts, questioning why wars so often impact the weakest members of society. Rekha Sharma expressed dismay over the incident involving the two women has severely tarnished the country's reputation and urged Manipur police to reflect on their actions. She stressed that to be an effective police officer, one must first be a compassionate and human individual, asserting that those who lack a cultural understanding and empathy are unfit for the role.
Manipur as a society is still better than in northern regions. Women can take their decisions, but not in the property. They don't have much of property rights. Police also come from the society which not very kind towards women. So they have that mindset how to behave with the women. People of Manipur, I'm not talking about Kuki and Methi. People of Manipur forgot about humanity. And when anything like this happens, women are the first target. I don't know why we think that women are weak, because we can rape them. Then that means they are weak. And at that time, police should have been very active. And without taking anything in cognizance, they should have been stood there to help women. Many women got affected. They left homes. They are still in the shelter homes. They still need protection from people, protection from other side. Both the sides are equally, harmful towards another side of women.
Meanwhile, Rekha Sharma spoke to the media about the crucial role of women in addressing the ongoing crisis. She revealed that she had engaged in discussions with representatives from women's organizations of Meitei, Kuki and Naga communities. Rekha Sharma expressed her confidence that with the concerted efforts of these women's groups, a resolution to the crisis could be achieved.
It is about how to behave with the women complainants. When women comes, how police should behave with them, how they should give priority to their problems and help them out to come out of those problems. I think people should also get involved to get the situation now normal. And I talk to the women of both the groups so that they should come forward and normalize the situation. The women should take the lead to normalize the situation in the state. And I've talked to the Kuki women, I've talked to the Methi women, I talked to the Naga women. If all the groups come forward, women groups come forward, things will be better, and I think the normalization of the society will